Today, guys, we are going to be cooking right out of the recteq cookbook that you can get right now at recteq.com. We are going to be jumping into a pork tenderloin, which is on page 61 in here. I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos that are going to come straight out of the recteq cookbook. So if you're new to smoking and you just got your recteq and you really don't know where to start, this is where you start. All right, guys, so we are going to start on page 61 today, which is this pork tenderloin. We are going to be doing a very simple recipe. So it includes 2 rubs and some bacon. The 2 rubs that you're going to need are going to be in the recteq rub bundle, recteq.com. It's on the screen. Go get that bundle. Raised warm apple pie and the honey rib rub. So this is what we are going to put on the tenderloin before we wrap it in bacon, and then we're going to go over it again. What you want to do is set your recteq. I have the RT340 set at 375 degrees. So that's what we're gonna put this thing on. All right, so let's get started on this. So the first thing we're gonna start with is the raised warm apple pie. Here's a little tip too, guys. Whenever you open up a tenderloin out of the package, they usually come in 2s. Trim the silver skin off and some of the fat. Get that trimmed off of there. It makes for a better bite whenever you go to cut this thing and eat it. All right, so we have both sides rubbed down. I tried to keep a clean hand. All right, now that we have that rubbed down, we're gonna take our bacon and we are gonna wrap it. I like to overlap the bacon a little bit, so it'll hold it in place. That way you don't have to put toothpicks in it. If I get one more piece around that. Now that we have it wrapped in bacon, I'm gonna go over it again with the honey rib rub. This is gonna give it a beautiful color and beautiful flavor. And then I'm gonna hit it with the raised warm apple pie one more time. All right, I have the RT340 set at 375, so we're gonna put this bacon wrapped, beautiful pork tenderloin on there until we reach an internal temperature of at least 145, but I'm gonna shoot for like a 150. So we're gonna get this on the smoker and we're gonna see when it's done. It is time to take this guy off. Oh man, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. So what you want to do when you pull this off of the smoker is you want to let it rest for about 15, 20 minutes. That way all those juices kind of absorb back in there from being in the smoker. So we're going to let this guy rest, and we're going to take a look at the storm that's coming in behind us, because this is Texas. We don't want any more tornadoes. So we're gonna be back here in about 15, 20 minutes. In the meantime, take a look at this. So the pork tenderloin has been resting for about 15, 20 minutes, and I can't wait another second. So we are gonna slice right into this guy and see how it turned out. So you wanna cut it in like inch. People say ½ inch. I like inch medallions. So let's cut into it, see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Look at that bacon. Bacon's all crispy. You taste that apple pie rub in there, and at first you're like, what's that? And it gives it a sweet flavor. That's good. That's damn good. All right, pork tenderloin out of the recteq cookbook. recteq.com, get that cookbook. It's gonna be a family favorite, I guarantee it. Cheers, guys, we'll see you in the next video.